What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth couldn't connect error you are getting on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, make sure that you have no optional pending Windows updates. A previous Windows update likely caused the Bluetooth error, and now Microsoft has released patches through optional updates. Open up your Windows settings and head over to the Windows Update section. Select Advanced Options and click Optional Updates under Additional Options. You'll find the required Bluetooth-related Windows update. Download and install it, and your Bluetooth couldn't connect issue might already be resolved. However, if there are no optional updates available and your Windows OS is up to date, then your Bluetooth driver might be causing the issue. To fix it, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth option, and here you might see a yellow warning sign next to your Bluetooth driver name. Right-click the Bluetooth driver to select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. This removes any faults if detected. However, if the issue still persists, right-click the Bluetooth driver and select Uninstall Device. When this is done, restart your PC, and Windows will automatically reinstall the correct functional Bluetooth driver. The warning sign will also disappear. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.